exercise then, we're going to look at mapping a piece of art onto a three-dimensional shape. I've downloaded already a map of the world, and we're going to use this map first of all as a symbol. So make sure we've got Illustrator active. Select the map and drag over onto the symbols palette. Give the map a name, we'll call it Map of World. Leave it as a movie clip and click OK. You'll see the map appear in the symbol palette. We can now get rid of this map off our page. The next stage then is to draw our half ellipse. We start off by drawing a full ellipse. Give it a stroke only. Make your colour something else other than black. In this instance I'm going to give it a light green. And click OK. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select one side of your cylinder, of your circle shape, and then delete. You'll notice you've got 1, 2, 3 handles showing. Delete and half of your circle should disappear, leaving you with a half circle shape. Go back to the Selection tool, click Away, and then click to select. Now go to Effect in the menu, 3D Effect, and Revolve. You get your 3D Revolve options window open here. Click the preview to see your shape, and you can alter by maneuvering the shape in the window here. When you're happy with the position, go to Map Art at the bottom of the window. Click, and then you'll see your Map Art window opens. You've got a symbol bar at the top here. Click the symbol bar, and at the bottom you'll see your symbol that we loaded into the symbols palette earlier, Map of the World. Select that, and you'll see it comes into shape. Alter the size to fit according to your requirements, and you'll see it appear on the map at the side. Click OK, and then click OK again, and you'll see the map appear on your symbol here. If you want to make any changes or edit this now, go back to Window. This time in Window, click Appearance, and your Appearance palette will open. You can double click on 3D Revolve, and you'll see you can make any optional changes you want in there. Once you're happy with the changes you've done, I'm now going to select my shape, I'm going to edit and copy. Switch now to Photoshop, where I'll make a new document. I'm going to go to Web, and 1024 by 768 is fine for this. OK that. And now just move my layers to one side out of the way here. I'm going to edit and paste. The Smart Object option comes in and I can click OK. You can see the Smart option is still available to resize as a vector file. So resize according to your requirements before accepting. Notice the Smart Object symbol in your Layers palette. If you're not happy with anything at this point, you can double click the Smart Object, taking you back to Illustrator. At this point here, we can make any changes that we like in Illustrator. Opening up the Appearance palette, and let's change the stroke option here. So let's make sure that your image is selected. You can see the stroke option is green. Hold down Shift on the keyboard, click, and then choose the required color. For this I'm going to go for this blue color here to reflect the ocean. Maybe a bit touch lighter. And there we go. Once you're happy with that, save to make any changes appear in Photoshop. Command and Shift to Photoshop, where you'll see the change happen instantly.